Hello, this is Samia Diagbo. There's something I want to show you on Gbpchf. Maybe you will learn something. Maybe you will agree with me on this. Now, the chart on my screen is the weekly chart of Gbpchf, and we can see that in this millennium, from year 2000 to year 2015, okay, price has been moving in a very clear five-wave structure. Okay, the move before then has been labeled wave 3 and wave 4, or A, B, right, C. Okay, and now from here we can see a beautifully formed five-wave structure emerging, and now we are at the fourth wave. Look at this fourth wave, an ABC, an ABC flat pattern, and look at this C. That was an ending diagonal. Okay, an ending diagonal here is an ending diagonal 1 2 3 4 5. All right, you remember this ending diagonal pattern. Now we traded it and it moved very well. Then after the movement down, price has been going in different ways. We also bought here at the end of this fifth wave here, and now we can now see that price has been moving in such a way that it's looking as if it's no longer clear. Okay, from here, from the pattern that broke the ending diagonal is a clear five-wave pattern, which is as expected, and we can see price going in the opposite way. Okay, so I label this as the first wave and this as the second wave. Okay, this second wave looks shallow and the pattern is not that very beautiful, so we can have an A, B, C. Okay, if we are going to see a very deep structure, but I don't think that is going to happen, or if it's going to happen, we're going to see it. But at the meantime, this is what I see. This is the end of the second wave, and we are expecting a third wave down. Okay, it's going to be a very long move. Don't forget that from the weekly chart, you could see that the fifth wave is going to be real down. So Gbpchf is looking, the outlook of the Gbpchf is still very bearish. All right, so we want to take advantage of that and see how price has been moving, or how we expect price to move. All right, this is the second wave. Now we're expecting the third wave. Now the move from here to here is a five-wave structure, which is the first wave of the expected third wave, and what we're expecting now is the second wave. And it's not surprising that price has been consolidating, moving in a very typical corrective pattern. Now I have two scenarios of what I expect price to show me for me to consider a sell trade, okay, from probably around here. Let me quickly show you. Now this is the first scenario. Okay, now the first scenario is such that price is going to give us a flat pattern. Okay, a flat pattern is usually a 3 3 5 pattern. So the first three here is a flat, okay, a running flat, and then the second one is A, B, C, a flat also, and then we're expecting the third wave to be a five-wave structure if there's going to be a completed flat. Okay, that's 3 3 5. So if price from here forms a five-wave structure and does not move so high above here, then I'm going to consider a sell trade, okay, depending on what I see after that, which I'm also going to alert you before I take the decision. All right, now the second scenario is this. Let me show you the second scenario. Now the second scenario is such that price will give us a complex correction. Now a complex correction is a combination of 2 or 3 of the corrective patterns. Now this is a Z, this is a flat pattern, this is another flat pattern, okay, and now we are looking for a triangle pattern here. Okay, a triangle pattern is a terminating pattern. Okay, it precedes the termination of a particular trend or correction. So if this thing is going to be terminated, then we're probably going to see a triangle that will terminate this move, okay, before we see the next move emerging. So we are expecting a 1 2 3 4 5 triangle pattern before price will now break below here. So these are the things we are going to be expecting on Gbpchf. So if you see any of these two scenarios, we're going to position ourselves for a trade. So you can also join us. So how do you join us? You can subscribe to www forexsniper.blogspot.com. Let me type it for you here. www, okay, it's here, www.forexsniper.blogspot.com. here, can you see? So once you type it on your sorry about that. Okay, this is the this is it, www.forexsniper.blogspot.com. the sniper is double P. Okay, once you type, you can now subscribe to our mailing list, which is right here. This is the page. Okay, this is the page. Then you can subscribe to the mailing list here. Okay, just type your name, your email address, your first and the last name, and then you click on subscribe. So once you do that, I'm going to be alerting you on how on different market structures that are emerging, or those that have emerged, which sometimes you get free signals and then you are still learning, okay, you know, all the way. So you're going to be getting our free analysis, signals, and some other important things that we feel that you are going to make use of for a successful trading. All right, so thank you very much. You can always contact me for anything. Now you can also enroll for our Earlier 12 mentorship program. Just click here and see what we have for you there. The one we're having is still running, so you can subscribe and join the next one. You can subscribe for our Forex Sniper signal service. Okay, you can check our trading result for the last 3 months, the first 3 months of our signal service. Okay, we're in the first month of the second 3 months, which we're also going to display at the end of the 3 months for you to access. All right, thank you very much. This is Somi Abdiagbo. I wish you a very wonderful trading day, week, month, and year. Bye bye.